In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to swap the value of two variables. So it is pretty simple. So what we'll do, we'll take the value from one variable, we'll store it into a temporary location, then we take the value from the other variable, replace the first, then we'll take the value from the temporary location and assign it to the next variable. It sounds a bit confusing, but let me show you. So we'll declare three integer variables. So int a equals 10. Int b equals 15. And we have one for the temporary location. So we'll just call that temp. T-E-M-P. So first we'll say temp equals a. Remember that what's on the value of on the right side of the equal sign is assigned to whatever it is on the left side. So right here we just assign the value of a, which is 10, to temp. Then we will say a equals b. So what we did here, we assigned the value of b to a. So 15 will replace the 10. Then we'll say b equals 10. What we did here now, we assign what the value of temp to be, which initially on line 9 right here, the value of temp, it will be a, which is 10. So let's print this and see if our swap works. Is shift modulus b backslash n comma a semicolon. B something went wrong. Let's see, what did we do wrong? Oh, my bad. See, initially a was 10, now a is 15, b was 15, and b is 10. So our swap was successful. Swapping the value of variables is pretty useful, especially when you're sorting through arrays, whether you're trying to sort it in an ascending order or descending order. It's a pretty useful thing to know. Alright, so let's do something a bit more technical. Let's sort the values in an array. So let's get rid of this. Let's use I. Hero, do we need this? Let's turn b into the array. So array. Let's give it 5 values. So let's try 34, comma 76, comma 14, comma one more. Let's try 81. So the order is not in ascending, so we're going to start this in ascending order. So to do this, we'll have to loop through the array and compare the values. So we're going to use a for loop for I. I is our counter variable. For I equals 0, semicolon, I I less than 5, semicolon, then we increment I plus plus. So if array so what we'll be doing, we'll be checking the value in each position. So we'll say if array position I is greater than array position I plus 1. So if this statement is true, we will swap them. So basically it says if array I is the same as this. So initially in the first increment I is 0. So if the value in the position 0 is less than, yes, my bad, let's switch this, is greater than the value in the position 0 plus 1, which is 1. In the next increment, I will become 1. So we'll check if the value in position 1 is greater than the value in position 1 plus 1, which is 2. And it will keep going on till I is less than 5. No, it will keep going while I is less than 5. So once I reaches 5, it will stop. So if this argument is true, let's say temp equals array position I. So we're gonna assign the value in position I to temp, which is the first position. Then we'll array I. Then that should be it. So we'll assign the value in position 0 to temp. Then we'll assign the value in position 1 to position 0. Then we'll assign back the value from temp to position 1. Yeah, that should be it. So let's check this. So we'll come outside our loop and then we're gonna print \n. We don't want to put this in our for loop, because if we do this, it will print it out 5 times. Now that's kind of annoying. So for, well, I'm a bit lazy, so I'll just copy this. I recommend you guys type it if you don't know it by heart. Printf modulus e comma a r y array I. Let's give this some space. So \t is for tab. Let's compile this. We didn't get an error. Now let's run it and see what happens. So our program did not sort our array properly. Now let's figure out why that happened. Alright, then since this won't work, since it's giving trouble, let's just create another for loop. So for, let's use a different value. Let's use w for w equals I plus 1. Sorry, plus 1. Yeah. Semicolon w less than, how much was it? 5. Semicolon w plus plus. So we're gonna put this loop inside of this one. So crap, it's equal. Remove that from right here. Put it here. So where we have I plus 1, we'll just use w. Now let's compile this. We have an issue. Yes, we did not declare w. I don't have y here. Oh. Oh, now we have it. So we're actually 3, 4. Our values were 34 at first. Now we have 3. Now we see, it's funny. Alright guys, so let's switch this around and see if we get the opposite. Now we have it in descending order. Well guys, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next. Also, feel free to comment and make a request for any type of video that you like. I try my best to fulfill that request.